Have you ever wondered why some mysteries of our world have remained unsolved for thousands of years? Some are so unbelievable that they defy logic, and others seem almost surreal. Humanity has advanced through knowledge and technology over millennia, yet there are still events, structures, and phenomena that leave scientists, historians, and researchers completely baffled. I'm Atlas in Mysteries, and today we are going to embark on a journey to explore the most unexplained mysteries of the world. Each story unlike anything you've heard before, some so astonishing it will challenge your sense of reality. You might ask yourself as we go through this video, why are some things still unexplained? Who or what is behind these mysteries? And could some answers be slipping away from us without our even realizing it? When we delve into the depths of human history, we encounter massive stone blocks, intricate constructions, and lost civilizations. The pyramids of Giza in Egypt are not just impressive in size, they are a testament to perfect geometry and astronomical alignment. How did humans at that time manage to cut and transport stones weighing tons, often over miles? Some say it's impossible with the tools available then, while others speculate that there might have been secret knowledge or lost technology. Some chambers inside these pyramids have been labeled energy chambers by researchers because electrical and magnetic readings inside surpass normal levels. This is only the beginning, as around the world we find other structures that push the limits of human ingenuity. In England, Stonehenge remains a puzzle with its massive stones and unexplained transport methods. Was it built for ritualistic purposes, or was it for astronomical observation? And why are some stones aligned in ways that still can't be fully explained? Are these ancient mysteries a result of human genius alone, or is there more to the story? Even beyond human-made structures, nature itself is full of inexplicable phenomena. The Bermuda Triangle, infamous for the disappearance of planes and ships, continues to puzzle scientists. Magnetic anomalies, sudden storms, strange ocean currents, and unexplained occurrences defy normal physical explanations. Mysterious lights observed in the ocean depths, the unusual behavior of waves, and unknown energy sources beneath the sea continue to amaze researchers. Humanity's technology is still not advanced enough to fully explore and understand these depths and energies. All around the globe, humans report hearing unexplained sounds. In certain towns and cities, mysterious low-frequency hums have been recorded repeatedly, and researchers are still unable to pinpoint their sources. Some people constantly perceive these sounds while others never hear them, and some theories suggest that these vibrations affect human health and psychology. Similarly, the unexplained lights in the deep ocean cannot be entirely attributed to marine life. Some studies suggest they may originate from energy sources or natural phenomena yet to be understood. The human race is still largely unprepared to uncover these mysteries. Even in modern times, unexplained phenomena persist. Unidentified flying objects, UFOs, are reported across the world. While many sightings can be explained scientifically, some remain unresolved. People have even reported feeling that time slows down or speeds up in certain locations. Experiences like these hint at parallel universes or dimensions beyond our perception. Altogether, these mysteries, from ancient civilizations to modern unexplained events, seem connected, as if part of a larger pattern, or perhaps humanity is simply asking the wrong questions. Imagine, across different regions of the world, secrets that have existed for thousands of years are appearing in different forms throughout history. Ancient structures, odd natural occurrences, and modern phenomena all seem interconnected. Perhaps these events are merely showing the limits of human perception. Perhaps some forces or patterns work independently of our understanding. What do you think? Is there a rational explanation behind all these mysteries? Or will some secrets remain hidden forever? Here at Atlas in Mysteries, we try to answer these questions and explore these unsolved enigmas together in every video. Maybe today's exploration will simply spark your curiosity, but some of these mysteries could change the way you perceive life and the world around you. Each mystery is a clue challenging the limits of human knowledge, from pyramids to strange lights, lost ships to ancient flying machines. They all testify to humanity's struggle with the unknown. And this is just the beginning. There are still thousands of unexplained phenomena waiting to be discovered. Some researchers attempt to explain them scientifically, while others interpret them through mystical or paranormal perspectives. The important thing is that, as viewers, you keep your curiosity alive and continue this journey with us. Perhaps one day all these mysteries will be solved, or perhaps some will remain forever hidden. Yet every new discovery and question is a step forward for humanity. As we continue exploring the mysteries of our world, one cannot ignore the strange occurrences that have baffled humans for centuries, stretching far beyond the realm of ancient architecture. Consider the unexplained moving stones in Death Valley, California. These massive rocks, sometimes weighing hundreds of pounds, leave long trails behind them as if sliding on their own. For decades, scientists debated the cause. Some experiments suggested wind and ice could move them under specific conditions, yet the phenomenon remains partially unexplained. Why do some stones move while others nearby remain still? Could there be subtle forces at play that humanity has yet to comprehend? These questions invite us to wonder, how much of our natural world is still hidden from our understanding? Turning from deserts to the oceans, the sea continues to guard its deepest secrets. The Bermuda Triangle is famous for swallowing ships and planes without a trace. Yet it is not just legends and myths. Documented disappearances have left researchers perplexed. Magnetic anomalies in the area can confuse navigation instruments, sudden storms can appear without warning, and the ocean currents are notoriously unpredictable. However, even when all these factors are accounted for, some disappearances remain mysterious, leaving open the possibility that we do not fully understand the physics or energy at play in these waters. And beyond the Bermuda Triangle, researchers have recorded strange luminescent lights in deep oceans, glows appearing where no known marine life exists. Could there be undiscovered forms of life generating these lights? Or might it be a completely different phenomenon that defies our current scientific models? Even the skies have their share of unexplainable phenomena. Throughout history, humans have reported sightings of unidentified flying objects, often leaving behind photographic or radar evidence that modern technology cannot easily debunk. While many of these cases can be attributed to misidentified aircraft or atmospheric conditions, a handful remain completely unexplained. Could these be remnants of advanced ancient technology returning to our skies? Or perhaps visitors from entirely different dimensions? And what about time anomalies reported by people in various locations, where clocks seem to slow or accelerate, and people experience hours passing in what feels like minutes? These reports, while anecdotal, accumulate into a puzzle that challenges our understanding of time and space. The Earth itself sometimes behaves in ways that challenge logic. Massive sinkholes appear overnight, swallowing entire streets or fields, leaving only a gaping void where life once thrived. In Siberia, the sudden appearance of massive craters has stunned geologists. In each case, traditional explanations, erosion, gas release, permafrost melting, provide partial answers, but none fully capture the sheer speed and scale of these events. Why does nature sometimes act in ways so extreme that it almost seems intentional? And could there be connections between these events and the energy anomalies recorded in other parts of the planet? Meanwhile, history itself harbors its share of enigmas. The Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek device discovered in a shipwreck, dates back over 2,000 years and functions as a sophisticated analog computer, capable of predicting astronomical positions and eclipses. Its complexity astounded modern scientists, suggesting that ancient civilizations may have had knowledge that was later lost to history. How did a civilization without electricity, modern metallurgy, or precise machining create such an intricate mechanism? And how many other inventions, ideas, or technologies were lost, simply because they did not survive the ravages of time? Even the human mind contributes to these mysteries. Across the globe, people report hearing unexplained low-frequency hums, sometimes so intense they cause headaches or nausea. These sounds cannot be located, yet they seem to have a profound effect on those who experience them. Could these phenomena be a natural resonance of the planet itself, or are they tied to environmental factors we have not yet measured? The recurring theme of inexplicable vibrations, moving stones, and mysterious lights hints at an interconnectedness in these mysteries, suggesting that the universe may have underlying patterns we have yet to perceive. As we expand our exploration further, one cannot ignore the cosmic scale of mysteries that continue to baffle us. Consider the rapid rotation of certain stars, pulsars, and black holes, emitting signals and radiation that follow patterns scientists only partially understand. The universe itself appears to have a rhythm, a pattern, a logic that is just out of reach. Are these cosmic phenomena entirely natural, or do they somehow interact with life on Earth in ways we have yet to decipher? Could it be that the unexplained events we witness on our planet are reflections of greater cosmic forces beyond our comprehension? And yet, perhaps the most fascinating mysteries lie at the intersection of history, nature, and human perception. The Nazca lines in Peru, massive geoglyphs visible only from above, present questions similar to those of the pyramids. Why would ancient people create images that could only be fully appreciated from the air? Was it a form of communication, a ceremonial practice, or a message meant for beings we cannot yet understand? And what of the ancient city ruins found in places that modern maps and records never acknowledge? Each discovery pushes the boundaries of what we know about human history, challenging assumptions and compelling us to ask whether we have only scratched the surface of what our ancestors understood about the world and the universe. At Atlas and Mysteries, our goal is to unravel these connections, to seek explanations, and to present theories that challenge conventional thinking. Every video is an invitation to question, to explore, and to expand our understanding of the unknown. From ancient artifacts and structures to modern unexplained phenomena and cosmic events, the thread of mystery weaves through time and space, uniting the past, present, and future in ways that are often subtle, sometimes shocking, but always compelling. Imagine standing in the desert of Egypt, gazing at the Great Pyramid under a blazing sun, then traveling in your mind to the depths of the Bermuda Triangle, or to the skies above Nevada where unidentified flying objects dart and vanish. Consider the Nazca lines spreading across the Peruvian plains, and the mysterious luminescent lights deep in the ocean. Each of these locations holds secrets that have survived centuries or even millennia, patiently waiting for us to uncover them. They challenge our intelligence, our science, and our imagination. What connects all these mysteries? Is there a universal pattern, an unseen force, or merely coincidence? The Antikythera mechanism hints at lost technology. Pyramids hint at unimaginable engineering. The moving stones and hums hint at subtle natural, or perhaps metaphysical forces. And yet, none of these phenomena exists in isolation. They are threads in a grand tapestry that we are only beginning to glimpse. Perhaps the universe itself is trying to communicate, or perhaps it is simply indifferent, and it is up to humanity to decipher what is meaningful. Yet the mysteries of our world do not end with the physical structures or natural phenomena we can observe. Across the globe, there are countless accounts of strange events that challenge our understanding of reality itself. In Japan, there are reports of phantom lights appearing in remote mountains at night, floating silently above the trees, visible to locals but unexplained by scientists. In the Arctic, explorers have documented unusual atmospheric effects, including glowing clouds and beams of light that defy conventional physics. Could these events be linked to energy sources or cosmic phenomena we have not yet discovered? And what about the strange electromagnetic readings in ancient temples or near certain natural formations, which seem to disrupt electronics or create sensations of unease? These anomalies suggest that some areas of our planet may be conduits for forces we are only beginning to sense, yet cannot fully measure or understand. History itself is filled with unexplained knowledge, often encoded in ways that modern humans struggle to decode. The Voynich manuscript, for instance, is an illustrated codex written in a language that has resisted deciphering for centuries. Despite the efforts of linguists, cryptographers, and computer scientists, its meaning remains elusive. Why would someone create such a complex, mysterious text, and what information might it contain? Could it be a record of ancient science, herbal medicine, or even knowledge of the cosmos lost to time? The existence of this manuscript reminds us that human curiosity and creativity have always been intertwined with mystery. Perhaps some of the answers lie not in technology, but in understanding the ways humans have observed and interpreted the world across ages. Even in the realm of geology and environmental science, unexplained events abound. In Siberia, massive craters have appeared suddenly in the frozen tundra, with no clear cause other than potential gas releases or permafrost melting. These holes are enormous, leaving scientists scratching their heads at the speed and scale of the formation. Meanwhile, across the deserts of the world, strange rock formations that seem impossibly balanced or oddly positioned continue to confound geologists. Could there be unknown geological forces at play? Or are these simply the result of extremely rare natural events that we have yet to fully observe? Moving from Earth to the skies, we find celestial mysteries that further expand the boundaries of human knowledge. Pulsars, quasars, and black holes emit patterns of energy and radiation that even our most advanced instruments can barely decipher. Gamma-ray bursts, some of the most energetic events in the universe, occur without warning and originate from galaxies billions of light-years away. How do these massive cosmic phenomena influence the universe, and could they somehow relate to the unexplained occurrences here on Earth? While it may seem far-fetched to connect oceanic lights or moving stones to distant stars, one cannot help but wonder if there is a hidden symmetry or energy flow that connects all layers of reality. Perhaps the most profound mysteries lie at the intersection of human perception and the physical world. People around the globe have reported experiencing déjà vu, precognitive dreams, and strange synchronicities that seem too precise to be mere coincidence. While skeptics attribute these events to the quirks of human psychology, the sheer number and consistency of these experiences suggests there might be more. Could human consciousness itself be tapping into a larger field of information, a subtle reality beyond the five senses? And what if some ancient structures, from pyramids to megalithic temples, were designed not just for practical or religious purposes, but to interface with this unseen field? The notion may sound speculative, yet history and anecdotal evidence repeatedly hint that humans may have interacted with forces we barely understand. In modern times, technology has amplified our ability to observe, but also our awareness of unexplained phenomena. Satellites capture images of strange formations on Earth and other planets. Deep-sea submersibles find life forms and glowing structures where none should exist. Even weather patterns occasionally behave in ways that defy modeling and prediction. Could some of these anomalies be natural, yet undiscovered forces, or do they indicate aspects of reality we cannot yet perceive? The boundary between the known and the unknown is constantly shifting, reminding us that curiosity is the driving force of discovery. Throughout history, humanity has always sought to explain what we do not understand, often through myth, religion, and art. Yet despite our advances in science and technology, there are still mysteries that remain unsolved, tantalizing us with glimpses of a reality beyond our comprehension. Whether it's an ancient artifact, a strange light in the night sky, a moving stone in a desert, or a cosmic burst from billions of light-years away, these phenomena call us to question, to investigate, and to imagine. The world is far richer and stranger than it appears at first glance. So, what can we take from all this? Perhaps it is not necessary to solve every mystery to appreciate them. Perhaps some of these enigmas exist to remind us of the limits of our knowledge and the endless possibilities that lie beyond it. And yet, the pursuit itself, the curiosity, the investigation, the fascination, is a uniquely human trait, connecting us across centuries and continents. Each mystery, whether ancient or modern, earthly or cosmic, invites us to explore, to question, and to wonder. At Atlas in Mysteries, our mission is to guide you through these unknowns, presenting facts, theories, and stories that provoke thought and ignite imagination. Every discovery, every anomaly, and every unexplained event is part of a vast tapestry of intrigue, connecting human history, the natural world, and the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to understand. As we continue to explore, we invite you to not only watch, but to participate, to think critically, and to imagine what lies beyond what we currently know. Imagine standing in the shadow of a pyramid, gazing at the stars aligned above it. Envision diving into the deep ocean where strange lights dance in the dark. Picture observing a pulsar or quasar billions of light-years away, wondering if its signals somehow resonate with our own planet. Every corner of our world and universe contains puzzles that beckon us. These mysteries challenge the limits of science, history, and human perception alike, and they remind us that there is still so much to explore, so much to learn, and so much to marvel at. And so we come to a realization. Mysteries are not obstacles. They are invitations. Invitations to think deeper, to question assumptions, and to explore the unknown. Whether it's an ancient manuscript that resists translation, a floating light in a remote mountain, or a sudden disappearance in the Bermuda Triangle, These phenomena remind us that our universe is far more complex and wondrous than we can fully imagine. The pursuit of understanding is, in itself, a journey without end. So, as you watch this video and explore these incredible enigmas, remember that every unexplained event, every mysterious structure, every strange phenomenon is part of a larger story. One that is unfolding even as we speak, a story that you are now a part of simply by being curious, by questioning, and by seeking knowledge. Here at Atlas and Mysteries, we invite you to continue this journey with us. Comment below with your thoughts, share your own experiences or theories, and make sure to subscribe so you can join us in uncovering even more of the world's greatest unexplained mysteries. Because in the end, perhaps the greatest mystery is not in the pyramids, the oceans, or the skies, but in our own quest to understand. And in that, there is an adventure unlike any other. And who knows? The next mystery we solve, the next secret we uncover, could change everything we thought we knew about the world, our history, and our universe. So stay curious, stay vigilant, and never stop exploring. The world's most incredible mysteries are waiting for those who dare to look a little closer, question a little deeper, and imagine a little further.